Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a really quick tutorial here just that goes through how to export your Facebook friends. Head up the top here to this little down arrow, click on that, go down to settings. Over here you have your Facebook information on the left bar here, click on that. Up here, access your information, download your information, which is the one we want. You can either click in here or click view, whichever. And you'll have all your information that you can download from here. What I do here is I deselect all, because obviously you don't want all of it here. Go down till you see your friends and just click that one. So people you are connected to on Facebook, I want to download those. As you can see, there's a lot more here that you can download. But at this stage, all we want to do is download that one. Go back up to here, all my data. Change this from HTML to JSON and then go create a file. What it does now is if you click up the little tab up the top here, it says your file is being created. It may take a little while for Facebook to create your file, and what I'll do is I'll stop this video now and I'll come back to when it has been downloaded. Just want to let you know as well, you can see down here says your file's been created. Down here it says friends, and you can see how it says pending over here. So it's just pending. Once that has been ready for a download, the file information is ready to download. So I'll just refresh this, we'll see what happens. There you go, so now it's come up as available files. There you can see here, it's ready to download. Just click on that to download. You have to put your password in. And it will be downloading. I'll bring this up. And as you can see, I'm on the Apple, so it's ready to go. If you're not on the Apple, if you're on a PC, I believe you have to unzip it. With Apple, we can obviously, it already comes unzipped. And double click on that. And it should just come up with all your people on your list. And there it is there. Okay, so once you've got all your names up, just right click, copy it, scroll down the bottom obviously and copy all your list, go to an Excel file, go and paste it in there. Now you'll see that they double click on that, brings up everything in there. You'll see how it goes down and it'll have everything in certain timestamps and contacts and email. Okay, now to get rid of all the things you don't want, you can really come into here and you can copy all that part there, copy that. You can go into here, which is Control Find. You can go find that and you can go replace down here. And replace it with a space, or you can replace it with nothing. And just go replace all. 375 replacements done. So there you go, and that gets rid of basically all the things you don't want. So you go close, and as you can see, everything's come through and we're all good to go. So if you didn't want these back end, you could go copy. Again, you could do the same thing. Control Find, go down here to replace. Now you can replace that with that and go replace all. 376. Okay, done. Just want to show you guys another little tip as well. For the filter side of things, if you come into the data tab, if you click A to Z, click on that. What that does is as well is it brings everything in line. So then you can really go through and delete everything all at once rather than there it all is there. Shift and then click again, right click, delete. And you could do that again. Right click, delete. And that just basically will leave you with all the names. From there, unclick filter. I would here now go insert a column. Obviously these are going to be your names list. Go across here. This is going to be the date that you followed up, or the date that you contacted them. Date of contact. The next column could be invite. So if you've invited them to take a look. Or it could be that, yes, you've been able to get them to the group. So the next one could be accepted. Something so simple as that. And then you could put dates in here. So as you start from the top and you work your way down, you could have, okay, these are my 5 for the day. I'm going to go, sorry, these are my 5 or 6 for the day. I'm going to go through them. I'm going to just give it a tick and put a date down. So that way when you circle back around, you've gone through all your list and you come back around to back up to the top, you can actually start then putting another column in, or you can print this out and basically have another column on the other end. And that way you can then see, okay, I've circled back around this in the last 3, 4, 5 months, 6 months, and I'm going to have a chat with them again. From there, it's really easy. You can put the other date on here. So second, it could be this is a second contact. And that way you know roughly how long is it taking you to come back around to these same people. And from there, if you want to, you could say had a conversation or not had a conversation. Then you can see what are my numbers. This is a really good tracking tool to see, okay, how many do I send out contacts? Hey, how are you doing? How many actually come back with conversations? How many do I get to invite to the group? How many accept? And so on and forth. As you're sending friend requests out, start adding them to the bottom of this list. So don't ever start putting them in between. Just keep adding them to the bottom. Because what you want to do is you want to get to your warm market first. You want to make sure that you're contacting and talking to your warm market. Your friend requests that you have, they're not going to be, or they shouldn't be, as warm as the list that you've already got. Because they're generally the ones that you've been talking to, the ones that have seen your post, they're closer to you. The other ones that you're friend requesting, they may not be, because you're friending them up from groups or such. So just put them on the bottom. Once you get to them, start having conversations as well. So if you added someone and they've accepted, make sure you have a conversation. Set that conversation up right in the first place, and then basically put the date down beside there. And as you go through, you'll see as you come through your other list, you'll start talking with the new people as well. But you should be doing twice send outs of your warm market than actually people that are accepting. You should be, if you're getting 5 people accepting your friend request per day, you should be talking to at least 10 of your already warm market. Hope that's helped. Good luck, and we'll see how many you can get through.